Okay, so for the insights, what you want to do is you want to go up here and then go to click insights right there, right? Um, and you're gonna see this page here: accounts reach, content interactions. You want to go to a couple things that the most important couple things are the followers. So you want to go to your followers and you want to click the last 30 days, update that, and then you're gonna see your overall growth, and you're going to see the cities and your countries, right? So the countries is obviously going to show you where your followers are most. The cities is your London, and the age range, you want to see where your age range is, and also the gender, okay? These are some good stats, but the biggest stat in audience here is the days and times to post, right? So you want to post at specific times where when your followers are most online, and this tells you that's on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays. So if today is a Friday, you go over to Friday, and you can see here on my analytics that 6 p.m. is the highest time to post. That's when people are most on the platform, is at 6 o'clock, 3 p.m. So anywhere between 3 and 9 is when I want to be posting. If you change it, you can see it starts to change, right? So those are the key days, okay? Key hours and key days in the audience. The second biggest thing in insights is going to content shared. Okay, so go to content shared, change reach to post interactions, which is overall, and then change the time period to probably about last 3 months. Okay, now you can see here that our biggest post here is this Nas clip, okay, where Nas invested 4.5 million in the doorbell ring. Okay, so if you look at your stats, you'll be able to see which post got the most reaction, and then you want to make more posts similar to that post, because that's basically telling you what your followers liked the most, and you want to give them not what you like to post, but what they like to see. So keep posting more of the content that's getting you the most views and the most post interactions, and then scroll down and see which post is giving you the least interaction and do less of that. Okay, so this is key. The more you post what they want to that they want to see, obviously the better your page is gonna get. Okay, and you can change the thing from down to like the last 7 days and narrow it down even more. You can see here, those couple bits. So use those two things, your post insights and your audience insights, in order to find out when the best time to post is, and also which kind of post and which kind of content your followers are feeling the most.